Dia smile. I got my friend, Naina. Naina is in Turkey. Dulu dia tak campur. They do not inform. But now they come forward. It's a good step. Ladies and gentlemen, saya berwakil daripada Mr. Lee Jong, tuan dan puan di sebelah sidang. I hope you don't mind I speak English. I want to speak Tamil because I don't Tamil. I'm glad, thank you very much for inviting me. I'm glad that I'm part of you. Some of you may think that we have lost the battle, we have lost the war, we have lost the war. Kerajaan doesn't want to listen to us. Yeah, we are talking to somebody deaf and dumb. Betul tak? We are talking to people who are deaf and dumb. To them, it's only greed, money saja. They don't care about other things. I don't want to tell you what I know, but I think you know what I know. The problem is that some of you may think we have not won the war. But let me tell you, it is your effort. You may think you are a minority, but you are fighting for what is right. In a civil and a moral society, right is might. Bukan might is right. Some people, the ruffian gangsters, might is right. No, in a civil and moral society, orang yang baik-baik, right is might. Now you are a few. You think apa ni kita punya battle banyak tak boleh menang, lawan sana tak boleh menang, lawan sana tak boleh menang. You may think that way, but I'm telling you wrong. You have won a lot of battles. I want to tell you. Dulu ini Indra Pokota punya parlimen. Saya bukan popular, saya bukan orang besar, orang kecil saja. Last time they won only by 1,000 votes. It's you who created some environment untuk orang change the government. And at one time I was leading 12,000 unti, you know, not small. But there are so many tong datang masuk atas itu, orang 14 masuk. I still won by almost 8,000 votes. I want to thank you very much. Not my effort, your effort. In other words, here in Kuantan you have won your battle. Only battle, we've got so many battles. You won here, Kuantan. Tengok, dulu Indra Pokota and Kuantan Parliament you menang. But this time, you see, it's not by coincidence. We won Parliament dulu because tomorrow pun ada program of green, you know, about this paper industry or something. And we won the Parliament route because of the China plan. Who created the awareness? It's not the government. It's people like you, the minority. We won 4 parliament seats. Thank you again to you all. The state of Mahan. Ayo, dulu besar, you win besar. I tell you, sampai orang cakap sampai berjing, kincit semua keluar. But look today, I attribute in a great manner to the efforts that you have done. Besar, maintain. Bigger votes. Last time 1,000 over votes, now 4,000 over votes. Lee Chin Chong, Inam Penis Mampu, won by 3,000 over votes. Dulu kalah, 3,000 votes. 3,000 votes dulu kalah, now menang by 3 over 1,000 votes. A differential of 6,000. That means the people are beginning to be aware of the efforts, of your efforts, to create awareness of the dangers of things like this. Not only situ, in the Mahkota Parliament, 1 parliament seat, 2 state seat, the only kawasan parliament where all the seat kita opposition sama. We move further. Truntung, Wai Chang, he worked very hard, but he was not seen to be with us. He lost. Scene 1. Further down, Tanjung Lumpur, and to start fighting against a lawyer, a local lawyer, son of Kuantan. He's a lawyer working as political secretary to the Prime Minister. with all the funds. He lost. Money is not everything. It's people power. You created that environment to make him want the better. We move further sampai Pahang. Daripada 2-3 kursi sekarang we want what, 12 I think. Yeah, 12. Moving forward. You have lost the war. You have not won the war. You have not won the war. But the battle, one by one, you are beginning to win. You see my point now? So in Parliament, when we ujian saya cerita dalam pasal Parlimen, kami bila ada menteri berterang pasal Linas, we ask a lot of questions from Linas. But I'm telling you, you can record this and pass to them. Our ministers are damn liars. Bohong. No, they lie. Bila saya dengan Uja duduk, saya bangun. Saya speaker cakap, duduk. Saya duduk, Uja bangun. So both of us keep on exchanging. You know, when the speaker Liu Tiong-Lai, dulu he spoke against you all. Dia tak sokong sama you orang. But in Parliament today, sebab dia tak jadi menteri, he spoke for us. Yes, he spoke for us. Saya stood up, I said thank you, YB Betong. I had speaker ask me, hey, pasal apa you diri? I want to thank YB Betong because Linas Plant is in my constituency, but he's speaking on my behalf. Thank you very much. Honestly, he speaks in different tone now. The minister explained, mostly the PDF, dia mana janji dalam itu TOL, the temporary license. Patut on the 2nd of July, you must submit your PDF. Di mana mau buang itu ampas itu tailings, sisa-sisa, where you want to throw it away. They should have come up with a scheme. You know apa menterinya? Mereka sudah bagi itu plan. Di mana? Saya tanya. You can check on the handset. In handset dia tanya. In handset is written, but I ask, where? Please tell us where. Oh, sudah ada 4, 5 tempat, beberapa tempat. I will start up again. Where? Tak boleh beritahu, belum putus. Bila dia beritahu? Dia kata, bila dia submit? 2 hari bulan. The next day, Linas issue came out again. Wobi tanya, bila dia submit? 1 hari bulan. Semalam kita 2 hari bulan, ini hari kita 1 hari bulan. Situ saja, well, it is a small point, but a lie is a lie. Betul? So that's what they said. Saya tanya, where? Apa? Dia kata, tak boleh beritahu lagi sebab because dia kata belum finalize which one the government wants to select. So kita pun happy dulu. Suddenly AELB Raja Aziz came up with a statement. Tak ada, no PDF proposal being submitted by Linas. You see how much, I tell you, we have got a group of hooligans up there lying to us. Tipu, orang cakap tipu point blank. Ini dia tipu kita terang-terang. And this Parliament will sit again on the 23rd of this month. We are going to stand up again. We are going to tell Minister, you are bloody liar. So, I don't want to speak much. I want to thank all of you, especially untuk Kuala YB Tan. Yang berusaha, making an effort. I don't know how long I can live. YB Tan, berapa tahun lagi boleh duduk? 5 tahun, 10 tahun, 20 tahun. But we are thinking of our children and children's children. Betul tak? No, ourselves. I don't know about you all. YB Tan had this mind, said mungkin maximum dia hidup 10 tahun ni. I don't know about you. But as far as I'm concerned, you may not believe it. You know how long saya boleh hidup lagi? Tinggi 200 tahun dia lagi. Yeah, I can live maybe the maximum is 200 years. Tapi if the God love me, He'll take me tomorrow. You can't say anything. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm thankful to all of you. I think we have to go on. I think your president or chairman, whatever you call him, is going on the right track. I believe what you are doing. I listened to him. And what people just rightly mentioned, that you have to hit them where it hurts them most. Greedy people, not other things. It's all pocket and money. So, it's their pocket and their money. If we hurt them most there, then they will lose. Now, the battle has got to be fought not only at the local level. I'm full tadi sampai cadangan daripada Wabili, Cicong, I think Andan Surah, all agree. Andan Surah pun dah discuss dengan saya. We are going to sit down together and strategize untuk kuatkan lagi resistance di peringkat local. So me, Andan and my Malay colleagues kena bantu. We got to go down the ground to tell the kampung people. Kampung people say, ya bahaya, ya. Wih, apa lah ini government? Ini government, ini bahaya yang plan mau kasih sini. Kemudian, nah, 500 ringgit free. Ayah, ini government bayar, lima pun bagus. That's not what I say, that's not something. They go, oh, ya lah. When I said that, I said, hey, I am mining engineer, you know. I know apa the details of this plan. Dia kata tu, oh, you know. Kalau ini macam, tak patutlah ini government buat ini macam. Oh, the next time I come, macam. Ini government sudah kasih free, you know, tarifnya government. Takkan dah dia mau kasih kita susah. So easy lah. So, I mean, it's a task for Ajit, yeah? People like me, but you all have done well. I said, Naina is my friend. He was in the association, Turkey. Nobody cares for this at one time, but now it's in. People are hoping more and more people. So I think we are moving forward. Do not despair. It is long battle, and all these big battles start from few people who feel they are right. You look at India, wanting to get independence. The Indians felt, oh, impossible to fight the Maksaleh, all this might. Ada power, ada senjata. That in Gandhi is supported by few people. You people are more than the supporters of Gandhi at one time. But consistently they fought and fought and fought that Indian for the continent gained independence. You look at Mandela, was prisoned in and out, threatened to fight the whites, to remove the white from South Africa. Almost impossible, but starting with only few people who thought they were right, committed in the effort and struggle, ultimately Mandela won. And this is the same thing I told Anwar. Don't despair, you know, I mean, good things don't come easy. So, I wish to thank you very much. You actually, I'll be with you until I die. Even they offer me 20, 30 million, even offer me to get out of this, I won't get out. You know, mau bagi wang kasih lah, tak apalah. They try. They say, come lah, join us. We'll make you rich. I just told them, you know, I'm small, my heart may be small, but my soul is bigger than my heart. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. I want to thank you not because of that thing. You're actually fighting for the cause of not only my cause, it's the cause of my children and my children's children. Thank you.